Ever seen a leopard defy gravity to claim its prize? Leopards are nature's stealthiest climbers, scaling trees with ease to protect their meal. When a leopard catches prey too heavy to finish on the ground, it drags it up into the branches, keeping it safe from scavengers like hyenas and lions. Their powerful muscles and sharp claws let them climb even the tallest trees, balancing effortlessly on thin branches. This amazing skill not only secures their food, but also shows why leopards truly rule the canopy. Next time you spot one in a tree, remember, it's the master of both land and sky.